guys, so I took an unexpected trip to Houston. I'm here with my family, having, some fun game night stuff. We're playing Cranium. Um, what you just saw was my session at Southside Skate Park. It has been pouring, so I had no choice but to skate that park. Plus, it's really fun. It's not that I was forced to. I would have gone there anyway, but it's been raining, so all the other parks it's a no-go. I hope you guys enjoyed it. My cousin Adrian was the one filming all my tricks. Some pretty good angles, if I may say. And go ahead and give him a follow. He subscribed to his channel. He's pretty funny. I would like to give a big shout out to everybody that was at Southside Skate Park. You guys are awesome. Always love skating with new people. I want to thank Big O, owner of Southside Skate Park, for letting me come through. And yeah, I hope to see you guys next time. I freaking love this park, so you'll be seeing more videos on that park for sure. Alright guys, peace.